Watch this video and significantly reduce your risk of having TB on your farm. Hi, I'm Philip Breslin and I'm a senior vet in the Department of Agriculture's TB eradication programme. To eliminate the risk of TB on your farm and to prevent the recurrence of a TB breakdown, you need to cleanse and disinfect your housing and handling facilities to the following standard. There are two key elements: clean properly and then disinfect properly. To clean thoroughly, number one, remove surface manure and bedding. Use detergent to make it easier to remove dirt from all surfaces. Power hose walls, floors, slats, gates, the feeding passageway and troughs. Be sure to clean the areas that are concealed, difficult to reach, and that you can't see, such as in or around the drinkers, and especially the undersides of bars. After cleaning, disinfection is crucial to kill all the bugs that you can't see. The key elements to disinfection are: remove all the organic material. Use a Department of Agriculture approved disinfectant. Use it at the recommended dilution rate for TB. Soak all surfaces thoroughly. And finally, allow the disinfectant to dry in. Remember, trailers, slurry tankers, muck spreaders, and any other contaminated machinery or equipment must be cleaned and disinfected also. When you clean and disinfect well, you kill the TB bacterium and you reduce the risk of TB infection on your farm going into the future. Together, we eradicated brucellosis from Ireland, and together we can also eradicate TB.